Did you know there's actually 3 stages to twilight? I'm going to take you through each stage and show you what it looks like while hanging out at the beach.
Okay, so it is officially civil twilight. Now that just means that the sun, or at least the middle of the sun, has dipped below the horizon. And if you look right out there, you're going to see this kind of pale blue, grayish belt. That is actually the shadow of the Earth cast upon the atmosphere. And if you look and you see that pinkish band, that's known as the belt of Venus. And it's not named after the planet Venus. It's associated with the Greek god, who is, of course, Venus, known for beauty and pretty colors and all that. Okay, so we've now officially entered nautical twilight, and this is whenever the sun is more than 6 degrees below the horizon, all the way down to 12 degrees. And as you would imagine, nautical twilight got its name from the sailors who would rely on the stars to navigate the seas. But specifically, what they also relied on is the horizon. So during nautical twilight, you can still see the horizon, and that was important for them because they would use instruments like the sextant and others to navigate. And what they had to do was essentially pull down something like the North Star all the way down to the horizon using little mirrors and devices like that. So that's why it was important for them to see the horizon. And as you can see right now, it's very clear to make out that horizon line.
So now we're entering astronomical twilight, which is when it really starts to look dark. So astronomical twilight begins whenever the sun hits 12 degrees below the horizon, and it goes until 18 degrees. And after it dips below 18 degrees, that is true darkness. So during astronomical twilight, it does look pretty dark. So it's easy to confuse with true darkness. But one difference that you do notice is that if you ever look up at the night sky during this time, you may see a lot of satellites moving around. And that's because if you were just to shoot yourself up during astronomical twilight, you would actually see the sun. So the sun's hitting all of those satellites like the International Space Station, even though it looks dark here, and it reflects that light. And that's why you see a lot during this time. So I hope you appreciate twilight a little bit more. And if you want to learn more about exploring dark skies, be sure to follow Dark Sky Dispatch.